This Saturday, the Michigan Wolverines travel to Lincoln to face the Nebraska Cornhuskers in a Big Ten clash with serious implications. Michigan enters at 2-1 after a dominating win over Central Michigan, while Nebraska is 3-0 and looking to prove this might finally be their breakthrough season. Today we'll break down Nebraska's strengths, weaknesses, key players, and what Michigan will need to do to stay on track. Head coach Matt Rhule is now in his third season leading Nebraska. After stops at Temple, Baylor, and the NFL's Carolina Panthers, he's trying to rebuild Husker football into a consistent contender. His record at Nebraska stands at 15-13, with steady progress. 5-7 in 2023, 7-5 last year, and now a perfect 3-0 start in 2025. Cornhuskers fans feel this team might be the best they've had in years. But to prove it, they'll need to do something they haven't done in a long time: beat a ranked opponent. Nebraska's offense has been explosive through 3 games. Statistically, they rank 5th in the nation in passing offense and 9th in scoring offense. Quarterback Raiola is at the heart of it. After an up-and-down freshman year, he's off to a red-hot start in 2025, completing over 76% of his passes for 829 yards, 8 touchdowns, and no interceptions. He's spreading the ball efficiently and showing the poise of a veteran. One big target to watch is Kentucky transfer Dane Key. At 6'3", he gives Raiola a reliable deep threat. Key has already hauled in 13 catches for 190 yards and 3 touchdowns, including a score in every game this season. Defensively, Nebraska boasts the #1 passing defense in the nation. They've allowed only 190 passing yards combined across 3 games. Their secondary and defensive scheme have shut down opposing quarterbacks, ranking 2nd in pass efficiency defense and 7th in scoring defense. If Nebraska wants to slow Michigan, this is where they'll try to make their stand, by forcing the Wolverines to grind it out on the ground. But Nebraska isn't without flaws. Their rushing defense has struggled, ranking 75th nationally. They gave up over 200 rushing yards to Cincinnati in Week 1. Against Michigan, that's a major concern. The Wolverines just rushed for 8 touchdowns in a 63-3 blowout win, and they're known for pounding the rock until opponents wear down. One bright spot has been kicker Kyle Cunanan, who's been perfect so far. 4 for 4 on field goals and 19 for 19 on extra points. Having a reliable kicker can be crucial in a tight Big Ten matchup. History, however, is not on Nebraska's side. The Cornhuskers have lost 27 straight games against ranked opponents. They've also dropped their last 4 matchups against Michigan, with only one being close. A 32-29 thriller in 2021. The other 3 were lopsided defeats. For all the optimism in Lincoln, breaking this trend won't be easy. Michigan brings in a dangerous defense and a confident true freshman quarterback, Bryce Underwood. After a strong showing last week, he'll be tested against Nebraska's elite secondary. The key for Michigan will be controlling the game on the ground and forcing Raiola to make tough throws under pressure. So what can we expect Saturday? Nebraska is trending in the right direction, but Michigan's combination of power running and defensive depth may prove too much. If Nebraska's defense can limit explosive plays and Raiola continues his efficient start, we could be in for a thriller. But if Michigan dominates on the ground, history suggests the Huskers might be in for another reality check. Kickoff is set for Saturday afternoon. Who do you think comes out on top? Nebraska breaking through or Michigan extending their dominance? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more college football previews.